Whoa! Hey, Supers! Guess what? We have 3 new lawn tools! We have a new mower, a weed eater, and blower! We're gonna use them today. Are you ready, Super Kid? All right, let's go check them out. Come on! Look! I found the new mower, Super Kid!
Yeah.
What is this?
A mower.
Wow, this is an awesome orange mower! Can you show us what it does?
Yeah.
All right, look at this, Supers. Okay, Super Kid, show us, how do you start this new mower? Whoa, look how it spins. Wow. Do it one more time for us, Super Kid. That's awesome. Now, how do you turn it off? Wow, that's super. All right, Super Kid, let's go and mow a lawn. Come on.
Yay!
All right, let's start our engines.
Awesome.
My turn.
Wow! Our new lawn tools will really help us out.
Woo!
Let's get our new mower ready for Super Krew Farms.
Whoa, look how strong Super Kid is.
Yahoo!
He's mowing.
Great job! It's time to load up our mowers and go use our new weed whacker.
Hello.
Whoa! Look, Super Kid, it's a new weed eater. Wow! Go ahead and pick it up.
I've got it.
Whoa!
Yahoo!
Can you show the Supers your new weed eater?
Yeah.
Wow! Look at this, Supers! It's awesome! It even retracts a little bit. You can make it small and a big weed eater. Okay, Super Kid, let's start our engine. All right, Super Kid, let's weed eat around the mailbox. Woo! Okay, let's start weeding over here. We love weed eating.
Hooray!
Whoa! Great job, Super Kid. Okay, it's time to go find the blower. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's get out of here. Come on.
Hey, what's that, Supers?
Whoa, Super Kid, look. It's the new blower. This is awesome. Come on, let's go check it out. Whoa, it's our new blower. And watch this. It will even turn on. Look how it spins. Wow! Okay, Super Kid, are you ready to blow some leaves?
Yes!
Let's do it! All right, blow these leaves.
Perfect! This is great practice with our new blower. Super Krew Farms will have so many leaves and fun things to blow away. I can't wait to take it there.
Wow, Super Kid, that was amazing. But guess what? There's a tree somewhere that needs our chainsaws. You want to go cut a tree down?
Yeah.
Let's go have some more fun. Come on.
Yay! Our new chainsaw will get the job done.
Whoa! We found the tree, Super Kid. It needs our chainsaws. Are you ready? Okay, come on. Let me move this mower. It's in the way. Silly mower. All right. Which chainsaw do you want?
I forgot this one.
This one? Okay. Let's get this tree. Start your engine. All right, Super Kid. Let's cut this log. Come on. Whoa! It's about to fall over, Supers. Okay, Super Kid. Tell Supers what's gonna happen. Say timber. Timber! Whoa! That was awesome, Super Kid. We love chainsaws and mowers and blowers. That was awesome.
Yippee!
Are you ready to go back, Super Kid?
Yeah.
Okay, we had a great time today, Supers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Powering up with super gloves. We're having adventures. It's super fun. Super Krew.